Yeah, hi guys, if you're working a lot with chainsaws or other heavy tools, then I have probably the perfect helmet for you. And that's this absolutely awesome, perfectly fitting and still very comfortable OSHA-approved hard hat. It's super adjustable, so it fits even for my large to extra large head size. Comes with this comfortable chin strap, which we can easily tighten and also tighten here in the back. And so it has a really perfect hold. And so when we do some lighter work, we can just pull down the glasses and of course easily store them back again. By the way, it's also super easy to assemble. There are no screws needed. Everything just very easy, quick snap, like the ear muffs, which you can just pull down and then push against the head here on top. So actually I don't hear anything anymore. So it's a little bit difficult to record. So I remove them again, pull them to the back. You can see as easy as it gets. And for the super hard work, I can pull down the face protection. Yeah, full protection for the head, for the tough work, as good as it gets and still very comfortable, easy to assemble, easy to use, has a lot of cushion inside. By the way, we have even a height adjustment inside to make it more comfortable or to create even a better fit. Also very comfortable thanks to the nice ventilation. I hope you can see that here on both of the sides. And so after wearing it for a while, I have to admit that it's actually more comfortable than expected. Everything works actually really good. I didn't expect that. Really everything is super easy, usable. Also glasses here to push them down. Of course, like always, a little bit tricky to store them back again. Maybe it takes 5 to 10 seconds, but I'm not complaining. Also earmuffs, everything working really good. My only complaint here is the adjustment of the ventilation. But who needs really adjustment for that? Usually in most cases, we just keep it open, would be just for a rainy day, but who works outside with a chainsaw on a rainy day? I mean, the adjustments work really good as long as we don't have any equipment installed up here. But as soon as we have attached the earmuffs, a little bit hard to see from here, but I think in this area, there's the connection of the earmuffs to the helmet. And right underneath now, there's the adjustment for the ventilation. So without removing the head, we cannot adjust the ventilation anymore. But I would say that's pretty much the only downside of this helmet. I mean, it's not a big brand or so, but I think it's really decent, really no complaints so far. So I would say definitely not a bad thing. If you're really interested in something like that, then just check out the listing, which you can find easily with the link down in the description of the video, and maybe order one for you if you like it. I think it's even available in different styles, different colors. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this helmet, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.